Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we will be using the Born Pretty gel polishes to do a look on my silicone hand. These are so pigmented and rich and beautiful, and after I did a video using them in my last video, the company did reach out to me and they sent me these. I just absolutely love the packaging. They're luxurious, and like I said, the pigment is good. You can find these on Amazon. I do have a 20% off code. They're already very inexpensive. I will leave the link down below, and or I will put it on the screen somewhere right here. So I want you guys to know I did record 2 videos prior to this, but I accidentally deleted them, and I'm not sure if I'm going to re-record them. One was a haul. I may re-record that. We'll see. But going right in, I wanted to use some gel polish as my color acrylic instead of actually using colored acrylic. Here I did cut the tips of these nails to make them into coffin. They do come stiletto, and these tips are from Amazon as well. I will link them down below. So I went in with one of my wipes with some alcohol, and at first I did want to use these, so you do see me going in and tearing up some foil, but in the end I did not use the foil at all. I like going in with gel polish instead of color acrylic, especially when I'm in a rush. I typically do this on myself and not my clients. I have yet to try this on a client, but when I do it on myself, like I said, I get the job done a lot faster. Colors are easier to blend. So I went in with the one like buttercup yellow shade, and then I wanted like a tie-dye look, so I dipped into this beautiful peach color and I just put it on there any kind of way. You don't have to really be precise when you're using gel polish as your acrylic, so to speak, just because it doesn't dry unless you cure it under the lamp. You can manipulate the colors any way you want to get the look that you desire. I was just going in for a tie-dye look, like I said, and I think I achieved that on that nail. On the next nail, I just went in with the peach shade just to give the nails a more illusion of being cohesive together and matching. Now here, I don't know where the heck the video clip went of me applying this Fendi sticker, but this Fendi sticker was in my massive nail haul, and I got a bunch of them, and I did leave the links down below. It's from AliExpress. Now here, epic fail. I put the gel polish on, then I put the sticker, and then now I am encapsulating the nails. The monomer ate my Fendi stickers up underneath here, but you don't get to see it just yet until I move towards the tip of the nail. I started to notice that the coloration of the Fendi was spreading out, but I just kept pushing. Here I just was trying to think of what else I can do to keep this nail on and not go in and change it. So if this happens to you, and especially if you're doing this on a client or yourself, do not feel like you need to start all over and soak this nail off. Just keep going. If it is a client, I personally would offer them something else over top of it free, and you'll see that I'm going to go in and change some stuff up. I thought this look was really pretty, just like this and with the Fendi nail, but stuff happens and I had to move on to plan B. Okay, so I encapsulated everything with clear. I'm still puzzled as to why my sticker messed up as soon as I started adding the clear acrylic application. If you guys know, let me know down below. But I'm going to keep pushing, and if this happens to you when you're working on a client, do the same thing. Just improvise and try your best to get the best outcome. So here I just have like a little mix tie-dye look going on with a Fendi nail, and we are going to come right back after I clean up a little bit and dazzle these nails up some more. I am back, and off camera all I did was go in and file up the side some just to clean it with my 80/80 grit file, and I did buff it. What I'm going to do now off camera is just clean up the nail a little bit, dust it up, and try to get rid of some of this dust I created from filing, and we will come back to finish off the look. Okay, so after I cleaned the nails up and got rid of whatever dust I could, I am going in with my IBD gel, and then over top of the IBD gel, I do go in with a clear top coat that helps when you're adding your stones for everything to stay in place. And here I'm just going in with my AB crystals. And you guys know I struggle with stone placement, so every chance I get, I am constantly practicing stone placement. And I was so surprised that I came up with this little cute look just on a whim. And that's what my goal is to be able to just pull out my rhinestones and put together a nice look with the rhinestones, rather than it looking like I'm sitting there struggling trying to figure out which stone go where. So the more you practice something, the better you definitely will become at it. And like I said, this look, I like the way this nail came out. I've never tried pairing the stones together like this. One of the tips that I will say is when you do buy stones, make sure you buy them in a variety of different sizes and colors and shapes. It will help you achieve better looks when stone placing. So like I said, I'm going in here and just doing that nail, and then every time I do add stones, I don't know if I'll have the footage in here, but I am going in with the same method. I go in with the IBD gel, and then I go over top of that with the top coat, regardless of if you see me do it here or not. I don't know if you guys will be able to hear after I'm done editing, like the noise in the back, but I am sitting next to an air conditioner. I do apologize, but it is 92 degrees and your girl cannot turn the air off just to do a voiceover. I do not like being hot, so I do apologize if you do hear that. I will try to get rid of it in editing, so if you don't hear it, then that's good too. Here, I decided I wanted to keep the tip part of the pinky nail Fendi showing because that part, for some reason, did not mess up. So I'll try to go in with a V-cut shape, and then I was going to fill the rest of the nail up from where I'm at now all the way to the tip with stones. But as you'll see when I speed the process up, that I didn't like the way that looked. So I did go in and fill the entire nail up. One thing I really do like about using the IBD gel when I'm doing rhinestones is it doesn't dry on the spot. I can still maneuver my stones. I don't have to worry about it being stuck and out of place. So like I said, I did go in and fill this all the way up to the tip. And there's no right or wrong way to do this, but I do highly recommend that when you do fill up an entire nail, you don't go in with the same size stones. You do, large, medium, small, and then tiny to fill in the like little gaps. It gives it a better clean look. Here, this nail looks fabulous like this, but then I was looking at the Fendi and I didn't like the way it looked. It looked tacky to me, so I was like, okay, I need to fill in something, and that's exactly what I did. I was dying to use a real big stone, so I thought that was perfect to place it right there, and then I'm just going around with medium-sized stones around the bigger stone, and then I think this really sealed the deal. I really didn't want to do a full bling nail because I did one in my last video, but like I said, stuff happens, and I tried to make this look a little bit different in the sense of it's not the same finger that's blinged out, and I use bigger stones. I really do like the way these two colors came out together. The pastel look, it almost looks like sherbet. It's very soft, yet very it's making a statement, especially with the rhinestone. So one thing I've noticed, I don't like to add full bling and a lot of bling and then leave nails plain. I feel like they need to have something, even if it's just one stone. So I do go in on this next nail and place a few stones, and then at the tip I put a tiny stone on the ring finger, the index finger, and the pinky, just because that full nail on the pointer finger is doing a whole lot, and I feel like all the nails need to look like they belong together in a set. But these are So cute. I got these tips from Amazon. I don't know if I said that in the beginning. I will leave them down below, and you get a bunch of them, like 120 packs for the low. So like I said, I will leave them down below. These tips were perfect, especially if you're using a silicone hand, or you can use them on yourself or your clients. It's totally up to you. So like I said, I'm going in and adding the bling here. This video was really fun to do. I did learn and how to improvise, you know. So we're all practicing together still. We're trying to become our best at what it is we like to do, whether it's your hobby or your career, whether you're licensed or you're self-taught. Everyone can always learn something from each other. I do have a giveaway coming up. I will be giving away a MAC lip gloss bundle, and I will be giving away 2 eyeshadow palettes. Do me a favor and comment down below anything you want. The rules are simple. Follow me on Instagram and follow me on YouTube. These nails came out bomb. Let me know if you will wear them down below.